Good morning students, this is Dr. Magfura Parveen, Assistant Professor of BBA Department KSMS. This lecture video is for BCA second sem students. This video is on sequence. Particularly in this video I will discuss about subsequence. So a subsequence, suppose n be a sequence, then suppose n case be a strictly increasing sequence of natural numbers, then sequence of ank is called a subsequence of an. So sequence of a to n is a subsequence of any sequence of n. So we can say that any sequence is a subsequence of itself. Subsequence of a convergent sequence converges to the same limit, and every subsequence has a monotonic subsequence. Every bounded sequence has a convergent subsequence. So if an equal to 1 0 1 0 1 0 is oscillating finitely, then a to n will be 0 0 0 is a convergent subsequence of n. If an equal to 1 minus 2 3 minus 4 dot dot is oscillating infinitely, so a to n will be minus 2 minus 4 dot dot tends to minus infinity, and a to n minus 1 will be 1 3 dot dot, this will be tends to plus infinity. So a sequence n is said to converge to L if given epsilon greater than 0, there exists a small m belongs to capital N such that mod of n minus L less than epsilon for all n greater than equal to m. So a sequence n is said to be a Cauchy sequence if given epsilon greater than 0, there exists n0 greater than belongs to capital N such that mod of n minus m less than epsilon for all n m greater than equal to n0. Equivalently, we can say that mod of n plus p minus n less than epsilon for all n greater than equal to n0 and p belongs to n. So here is several roadmap for CCC. Triple C is for Cauchy's criteria of convergence. Okay, so any convergence sequence is a Cauchy sequence. And for epsilon greater than 0, mod of an minus m will be mod of n minus a plus a minus m. This can be written as mod of n minus a plus mod of a minus am, which could be made less than epsilon since sequence an tends to a. So any Cauchy sequence is bounded from the result mod of n minus am less than mod of n minus m. Therefore a Cauchy sequence there exists n0 belongs to capital N such that mod of n minus m less than n minus m mod of less than epsilon for all n greater than n0. So here we can also see that an is a bounded sequence. So if a Cauchy sequence an has a subsequence ank which tends to a, then an will also tends to a. And so we can say that Cauchy sequence means convergent. Okay, so a Cauchy sequence an is bounded, so it has a converging subsequence, that is ank tends to a, hence an tends to a. So an in R is convergent implies that an is a Cauchy. That means that if an is convergent, then an is Cauchy, or if an is Cauchy, we can say that an is also convergent. So we are considering a sequence an as 1 half plus dot dot 1 by n. If an tends to a, then Cauchy's criteria for convergence says that it is Cauchy. So that means that mod of n minus m less than half of n where m greater than equal to n0. So by considering epsilon equal to half, we will consider mod of a to m minus m. So mod of a to m minus am will be 1 plus half plus dot dot 1 by 2m minus 1 plus half plus dot dot 1 by m, and so this will be equal to 1 by m plus 1 plus 1 by m plus 2 plus dot dot 1 by 2m, which will greater than 1 by 2m plus 1 by 2m plus 1 by 2m dot dot. So this will be m into 1 by 2m, that means this will be half. Okay, so I think you will understand the criteria. So thank you.